Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset your entire network on Windows 10. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. Go to network and internet and go to scroll down guys, network troubleshooters. Fix network problems. Close the troubleshooter guys. Now the next method, go to CMD, type CMD, run as administrator. Click yes. Now type here ipconfig space slash flushdns press enter. Flash the DNS resolve cache successfully. Now the next one is netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here. If you still have a problem after doing this, go to settings, go to network and internet and scroll down guys, network reset, click on it. This will remove, then reinstall your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as VPN client software or Visual. Reset now guys. Click yes. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You go ahead and restart it guys. That's it for today's video. Hope this tutorial will definitely work for you. Thanks for watching my video.